Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use the join expression in Power Automate to combine data from arrays with custom separators. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your flows and the tools you need to create new automations. After logging in, you'll land on your Power Automate dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a navigation panel. Click on the Create option. This is where you'll start building your new flow from scratch. Next, you'll see several flow template options appear. For this tutorial, we're going to work with an instant cloud flow, so go ahead and click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect for automations that you want to trigger manually rather than on a schedule or based on specific events. A dialog box will appear asking you to choose a trigger. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow to set it as your trigger point. This means you'll be able to run the flow whenever you need it by simply clicking a button. After selecting the trigger, click Create to set up your new flow. Now you'll be taken to the Flow Designer where you can start adding actions. Click the plus icon to add a new step. In the search bar that appears, type Compose and click on it when it shows up in the results. The Compose action is incredibly useful for storing and manipulating data within your flow. In the Inputs field of this Compose action, go ahead and input your data. This could be an array of items like names, numbers, or any other information you want to work with. For example, you might enter something like an array of values that you'll later combine into a single string. Once you've entered your data, click the plus icon again to add another step. Search for Compose once more and click on it. This second Compose action is where the join expression will come into play. Now click on the input field of this second Compose action. You'll notice a small FX button appears. Click on FX to open the expression editor. This is where you can write custom formulas to manipulate your data. In the expression field, type join open parentheses, outputs open parentheses, single quote, compose single quote, close parentheses, comma space, single quote, ampersand, single quote, close parentheses. What this expression does is call the output from your first compose action and then join each data element with an ampersand symbol in between. So if your array contained items like apple, orange, and banana, the result would be apple ampersand orange ampersand banana. This join expression is powerful because it allows you to combine array elements with any separator you choose. You could replace the ampersand with a comma, a dash, or any other character depending on your needs. And that's it. You successfully created a flow using the join expression in Power Automate. This technique is extremely useful for formatting data before sending it to other systems or displaying it in notifications. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.